Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Guys, welcome back to my office. Yay. Sisangpalela sisompumpum yangibhala asuze kitsene jikimetsi konhlungu kitsene jikimetsi kulinyalong. Enhle kahle angangenelanga amanzi emshadweni. Ngenele ama flats. Athi ngenele ama flats kulinyalong. A ke tsebore ke dire jwang so ke rile ema ke ngwalele wena o bolelele ba na balaleli bakho especially abo mama aba bo situation yam or abadlula ku situation yam ngicela mani basadi ntusheng ngifeng advice or ke tse jwang yazi ngixakekile angazi ukuthi ngiyephambili ngemuvo or ngime la ngikhona khona umpomori awushoze mina ngikhulele efamily ekithi vele bebahlupheka and sikhulile kagogo athi yazi ukuthi kagogo nhlala abantwana bakamalume abantwana baka mamkhulu uyabona like siba mixed but the only person bekayi-provider egithi endlini umuntu vele bekare hlokomela nohulku kwakhe so wabona background ukuthi njani esikhulele level emakhaya or awushozi mina esikoleni bomntwana loyo ukuthi academically right sports wise kiteng ke netball ke ngena wabona uthi ngene isikolo awushozi ngene isikolo mangifika ku matric hayi ngiphase kahle ngithole ibang accept university kube ukuthi vele katsamaya vele ke esikolweni uthi hayi mangizohamba vele uthi I'm the first grandchild ko family ngare no hore akene isikolo lulutsa hayi ditsamaya sharp. It's 10 to 2 ekuseni hayi sizona mafani sound yasivuka ngamatha uyabona so uthi awushozi okay no problem angokwami nomama bangibeke phansi vele bamfela 10 commandments umfana lise mawuhamba la doesn't mean ukuthi ukuthi uhamba uyojola odife bashimani like umfana makaza direction yakho ushintshe direction thatha enye direction ungajoli sacela ungajoli wazi ukuthi uyele esikolweni. What else was remember mina yithi I'm the first grandchild to go university or like big breakali generational cases so ora setsiril ko university yabona uthi hayi sihambe bekuna this thing bebayibiza freshers ball yabona uthi sihambe uthi mangifika lapho vele ngihlangane na this guy yabona uvela nami emakhaya but yena beka 2 years ahead of me yabona bekayisina kimi yabona so uthi masifela emakhaya athi wena ngiyakwazi yazi bengikubona esikoleni bengikufuna but bengibona busa milela ko site engbusa lengwana yabona sikhuluma hayi mina no guys sikhulume sigcina mina no guys sigcina relemo yabona awushozi lo muntu lo vela emakhaya uthi mina ekithi kusenzansi arwatsa bakumakhaya ngihoro hojwang ratsebani everyone knows everyone so mina ngasekithi sephansi iyibo ungalinga phezulu ukayena la vela khona iyibo abantu abafine everything yabona isharp family high ba right very financially everything ba stable mina yithi yimi ngibuya la kungasi sharp khona wona awushozi nalikayi vele sicela state noma vele ikolo zivalile ngisemakhaya nayasemakhaya uyeza vele azongichecka athi wena kodwa sahlobonana uthi until mama angitshela ukuthi intombazana sokutshelela ukuthi mawuyelo uyenzani i-main goal king or ukena school uxolele bashimani uthi hayi leso sikhathi phela ke ne-18 awushozi kena kuzela zawapara body bum shot body kavela or ka style tsela tsa di mushroom cut wa tsana na kutsheo uthi okay sharp awushozi uthi ngina 18 phela ngaleso sikhathi uri awushozi ngibhadineshwa ke uthi mina no guy re kupanela dikobo ngicina sengiba pregnant angina 18 uri awushozi mang pregnant so ngibona ukuthi angeke mina ngibe ningane like kana ko uthi phela leso sikhathi awushozi kithumale nawo chepa phela ke banyana bale ke banyana bakathi kulobona uthi hayi ngithi angeke ngihambe ngisibhedlela uthi vele ngihambe ngesibhedlela uthi mangifika vele esibhedlela uribona no ke batla kulo nchampa ke batla nchampa ake batle ngwana angifuna ukusimoshela ifuture as ukokwami no mama bangadvise ngakhona awushoza sifika esibhedlela uthi before bazosebenza bokunomunye umama uthi lo mama lo buye vele athi bantwana bami ukuthi abazali abazi ukuthi ndlana bengicela ungafuna ukuchube ngalento lapha kamisa isandla ngimthandazele ne ujike uye ekhaya uyeke lento le cause ke 7 to 3 mara so to stirang so to stinga kungistirang mo ke sebisa go feta dibi mo lefaseng wabona so ngiyangicela ufuna ukuthi ngimthandazela jike ayekhaya uri awushozi rense ngula ribanyana yasihlangela yaso mama lo yasihlangela thina sifuna abantwana uthi awushozi vele ngiqhubeke vele ngeprocedure ngikephusiso mbele vele university kizana school or awusichoze nale brothers raratana or mina nalo muntu lo besithandana or bereratana ofeta enye or bereratana ayisithandane sichubeke relationship ichubeke brothers ena qede ke likely brothers vele athola umsebenzi vele brothers mathola umsebenzi ngifunde ngiqede vele i-degree yami ngiyithole mara ngingathola umsebenzi athe nokuthi uhlale emakhaya ngcono ke u-apply futhi kulobona uyire honors yahabo he ukutsena isikolo yabona uthi hayi vele angi-encourage kube umuntu ukuthi vele uyangi-encourage hayi ngene uthi ngigraduate awusichoze ngibele happy esikolong ngire honors yaka ngigraduate ×2 uthi mangiqeda awusichoze kube ukuthi vele ngiba nenhlanhla ngi-career America uthi ubrothers la sebenza khona sebenza kahle dream job yahayi uthi nami la ngene khona ngithola umsebenzi oright dream job yakhe or awusichoze sibona ukuthi manje buphilo bomunade uthi sihamba stadiums together some the trips together like life is lifing mereko right financial is right phela manje uthi ubrothers athi you know what mina I think this time for me ukuthi ngithumela amandwendo ekini but what also is this community ne one everyone knows everyone kulobona uthi bathumela amandwende ekithi uthi kube mnandi my mother abe excited ngona kotsena isikolo ki 2 times graduate ibile bamunyala uthi like kube mnandi uthi ngishada umuntu ofundekile usebenza kahle lami ngisebenza kahle or awusichoze khobe mahadi after mahadi kuplanwe i-white wedding or khobe white wedding awusichoze everyone happy uthi ngelanga la bomshado my husband angithengela a brand new car azoyi labaza abantu ziyangikhama azoyi-deliver ilanga lomshado or everyone was so excited iswela sivele emakhaya everyone was excited my family was excited igibo my husband be excited okay sharp or ayisichubeke vele sisebenze awusichoze kube ukuthi vele sathi ukuthi let's buy a house sithengele 3 bedroom inyana khobe monate ribe sapho hayi uthi awusichoze mina my husband omunye umuntu uthulile are monna waka uhomoje uthi all of these years isithandana mina naye azangibele mathatha abanyana cheating scandals and everything azange uthi hayi impilo the more impilo iye awusichoze bophelo phela promotion diteng bophelo ba upgrade yona impilo iye kube ukuthi yesesathi sasithenga indlu kuma golf estates what awusichoze nami ke nangoteng ne moke nangoteng awunokena fela ke di biometrics mo tsena ngoteng ke face identification mo tsena ngoteng and then ma help us way to atsamaya ka di card ba bana dikoloi tsa di card di golf card ba tsamaya ka tsona a ona motho tsamaya ka moto or ke the level of life e ke phela uthi ngihlala with this big beautiful mansion ngihlala lapho awusichoze awuthoma hore that's or it first me marriage second year third year umama unfortunately akuseshonile leso sikhathi uhlulile emhlabeni umamkhulu wami angifonele aringoyana etla kogaye isekhaya angitshela athi wena kudala ushadile sorana i5 years usemshadweni kanti ngwana ngoyana odire ngwana uthi kube lapho nami kube uyi-cup call ngimuthi man I need you fanele ukuthi ube nomntwana why ngingabi nomntwana kulobona or ingibusela phela back emuva ukuthi ngayenzani ngisase university or awusichoze ngihlala uthi indoda yami ungabe umuntu ukuthi uyacomplaina right rizamaya di vacation re expensive trips together uthi my husband doesn't have friends so uphila nami ra kuri shopping mall together everything siyenza together asumuntu ohlala ngistrata or awusichoze hayi kuqaleke 83 4 5 6 7 8 9 or I 10 ngoba 10 awusichoze hayi ngingelwa amanzi endlini ntona akekho imention phela yabanda kubanda mbo awunangwana very successful together but ngwana day or awusichoze akube ukuthi like mina wami kube indaba zokuthi like every now and then hayi nake high uthi no problem ngingayithathele ekhanda because I know ukuthi umuntu orespect ohlonishwayo emphakathini and nami like ngilobona gana hano kikoma haying ananto akayitsanga ngilobona uyovakasha nje uyabuya uthi ahambe uthi makahamba my cousin angifonele athi intombazana indoda yakho iyajola ngapha ijola nengintombazana ikangapha ngasekithi ibereka ko kai komulungu mukhawufile high ngithi hayi wena unamanga man not my husband athi ngithi ngiyakutshela ntombazana uthi cousin amele athi le ntombazana ibereka kumolongo kai uratana le mona uthi ngitshela ukuthi indoda yami mangingathi ifuna ujoli ngathola nama colleagues wakhe like I don't think ukuthi angaza joli emakhaya especially lasibuya khona phela ngabe uyangihlaza angicabangi nayo ngabe uyahlaza angicabangi ukuthi angayenza lento le kimi ngoba uri kimi yemela uthi ugela athi hayi mona isikhathi uze ekhaya ngitobonza ngoyana thing uri awusithi hayi vele ngekhaya hayi thathu cousin vele sizihambise sizimo sodlula la sebenza khona vele ngimbone ngithi intombazanyana lena mncane nakimi hayi befuthi akina like anthosi kulo la kangishikingi anyway yabo uthi ngithatha ama contact ama details wakhe ngithi Facebook ngicreate fake account ngimfollowish abona uthi mangibona vele intombazana lengisha 10 years kusho ukuthi mina umshanga 12 years uthi okay no problem hayi awusuze ngiphindele eGoli yabona uthi mangisegoli cousin angifonele ari ye intombazana intombazana le bese uyiscout lapha emall ngoyena ola mbake kana mothu pregnant and ngikari ngona now uri awusuze hayi ngikho umakhale ke no man. It doesn't make sense. I don't think ukuthi mina upractice this lady global uthi mara ngicheck ko Facebook ngivele ngiyabona vele bamenzele baby shower obona uthi bamenzele baby shower hayi intombazana vele kushuthi ibe nomntwana uthi kuma in-laws wami ukhona lisigele vele unrata ngobona unrata uthatha ifoni athi mkamalume ngifuna ukutshela umalume ambekazelana ase nomntwana nengintombazana umalume unomntwana uri awuchoose ke emakhaya maloma hawuna lengwana athi umalume unomntwana beyithi ngikwazise ngakufihleli yabona because daba secret emuhayi uthi ngibona ukuthi le ningangami uthi ngiconfront my husband uthi ngiphuphe ngathi unomntwana na ngiphuphile aze ngathi unomntwana uhusband athi mina nginamntwana what awusuze umuntu like ke bana bana lengi uthulile asemona wa drama udidimitse mona waka hayi my husband aphike athi mina nginamntwana but ekhaya usaya frequently ekhaya umuntu uyayo vele ngento sithi kidwa uphila ya hayi yabona uthi okay uthi ngithule awusijosi ngibona ukuthi this thing bana ngiyanja uthi mina I have this cousin uToruha from Joburg to Cape Town unalitlapa uyakhona ukuthukana uthi ngithi cousin asihlandele intombazana le uyangijwayela uthi vele sapha awusijosi masifika le ntombazana le uhlala emkhukhwini uthi ngimangala ukuthi my husband uToruha Hodi Golf Estates utlama umkhukhu uthi masifika lapha na vele ngimngene intombazana ukuthi ufuna nendodeni yami uthi ngithi uthi abomakhelwane manje baphume vele or ke morogo or cousin re morogo ngoya uthi ngalomzuzu intombazana asangazithukile back or awushosi ngena abamu uthi vele ngijike vele ngibili kumyeni uthi ngibona ukuthi uyadleka intombazana imfonelile yamtshela uthi ngiyambona ukuthi umuntu uyadleka ufuna ungibuza something asangangibuze next uthi nama zangisho next uthi mara ngimbona ukuthi anaphisa athi more sikakusi akasithuba jwanga amputisa ukuthi ngenzeni in azangaza ngibuza uthi ngithule awushoze uthi ngicontinue ngempilo yami sicontinue nomini ngempilo yami but usabwela kwahayi uya kwahayi uthi hayi ngasekudala awushoze 2 years later ugela ngifonela athi ye intombazana ngibona igogisana futhi manje sayana abantwana bayi2 kusho ukuthi umntwana kamyeni wakho ora awusozi kemakala uthi sometimes uNkulunkulu uzokulahla ora awusozi one time ngivula like the letters akonto mangithi ngithole letter medical aid kune new member ba 80 lo medical aid mina ukuthi intombazana ba 80 lo mntwana wakhe lokucala ku medical aid wami and bam athi ngikhethe ngisayiname because of the same name yale ntombazana le umntwana ngithi still ngimbuzo husband unomntwana na husband aphiki athena kana mntwana unalonga nomunga kubedile ngiyena husband aphiki athena akana ngwana ora awusijosi hayi vele ngithi vele samlanda vele lokuthu masifika lapha na lokuthu sithi samlanda intombazana belo cousin wami sithola intombazana awusozi wakhile indlu enkulu or ihile into abayirufela or wayibona ngqomo sakho ifaka di aluminum windows aluminum everything usetshile spaces uthi wakhile uthi ngimanga uthi sifuna ungena kumusha enemiri unama pitbull ejardini uthi azi musawakhile kuba like lady santa la enkulu la khona ukuthi ungakhibela khona uriskibele lapho masithi sahlola ejardini fetere pitbull thing arikhona ujampela ejardini uthi sihambeza sifuna ukukhuluma naye akafuna ukuphuma or awusoze ngibone lapho ukuthi umyeni wami wakhila le ntombazana indlu athi my husband wahela ngoyana indlu akukhona hali ngoyana ka salary agree ngikwabereka ngodini I don't think ukuthi angaza yakhe mention engaka or I was choosing ngibile endlini uthi hayi masihleli vele endlini ngithatha ikhathi limini wami ngihambe vele ngiyodonsa i-statement or I was choosing ngihambe na i-statement emsebenzini banonkosi audita ke batho sibona or hitsahalang ku statement day uthi mangi audita i-statement I was choosing umyeni wami uyaswipe or uswipe ko di-cash building ko di-builders market ko kai anything herisang building material athi umyeni wami ikhathi iyaswipe imali yaphuma ke di-up and down child amonaka iyahela ngoyana o or I was choosing ngibona ukuthi yabona le ingangami uthi ngidecide ukuthi you know what ngoyana tsontsoro uyemelele bano uyemele uthi kwabe uqala kwami ukuthi ngithi ngiyaphakama ngiconsult or bengase umuntu ukuthi ngiyaconsult bengase umuntu ukuthi ngihambe izinyanga uthi ngihambe ke ngiyoconsult uthi manje ngiconsult umakhosi afike athi mina sisilana ngibona umntwana mina ngibona umntwana kwangalalanga umntwana ngicela ukuthi umuphi igama umntwana fanele umthengele izimpahla same sokugeza sipho umntwana igama na isikhona ukumlalisa ukuthi izinto zakho zikhona ukuvuleka or I was choosing ke tsamaya ke dire he ke re ke diaparo ngwana ke thele ngwana lina umakhosi angikesise or I was choosing ngibe na dishope ukuthi eventually because umntwana sekalele umntwana sengimuphi igama shoot nami ke uzoba i-10 number fazi ukuthi ngibe pregnant or I was choosing umntwana ngaveli uthi manje I was choosing my husband ke manje antempele adire ngwana bo 3 lo ngwanyana ula cousin athi hey friend umyeni wakho sonomntwana ngale bana ke babakana or I was choosing ukutshela ukuthi everyone in the community knows ukuthi my husband uratana ngwana ula athi indoda yami iyahamba I was choosing iyophaka kulo yamuzi uthi mangitracker imoto yilo yamuzi akaphumi uthi uya Friday aphaka mula atswe Sunday akabuye endlini akaphumi uyangena ahlale kunentomazana le the whole time or I was choosing angakutshela ukuthi selitsikile monitoring spirit mo Facebook ngiyangwayana lo uthi ngibheka yonke into ari ngoyana atsamaya le trip ari le ha posta letso ari you know letsoho la monna hao I post my husband but la atsamaya ngoteng batsamaya di trip ba dira uri nyakhona ubona ukuthi lesi sanga somuyeni wami uthi le ntomazana le iphila bophilo bo right le motho waka by little family beside nana kisile or I was just mention iyabanda awunamntwana still namanje sengenzile ngisengihambile kumakhosi bayonhlabisa ngwana hateng ngwana atlahele or I was just into ngizisuhlungu uthi I was just into ngizisuhlungu kuze kulento yenzakalayo ukuthi this girl uhlako ku bleeding ewanderena ubuye endaweni ewan nami uthi I wish ukuthi ngabe atsamele ayikole province nje ngothe digole or the province next to us kungabe ukuthi umphakathi owabona umshado wami ebabona impilo yami nalomuntu lo jiki manje sebabona umuntu nabantwana awusingo oyana unalabana bababili babashimana ngona wona ongayana uthi bafana nqamashini umyeni wami especially the boys bafana nqamashini umyeni wami abantwana bakhe akudingi ne DNA ke bana bagare uthi mina ngize ne proposition ukuthi you know what how about ukuthi mina nawe si adopt umntwana because of ngwana on my side ashu ahatle athi umyeni wami athi mina angeke ngifuna ukukhulisa a stranger in my house ke ba nongroitsa jang because of mina ngifuna umntwana ngithi sobele ngwana mo because akinabana uthi umyeni athi yimi athi ngoba nginomntwana nabantwana ngaphandle how about singathatha umntwana one azokhulela la nendlini or I was just imagine mina ngithatha umntwana ozele already kenyetswe ka white wedding ke motseke to mohodisa mo lapeng laka athi my husband angiphele offer athi mina the only offer I can give you wafuna ukuthi la ejardini kube nomntwana asithathe umntwana one azokhulela or I was just monna waka wa khetse ngoyana ntlo a big house umakhele indlu ka kahle labantu laba bayifamily na khoba foba holenge nna kelenge bridge more linyalong day because of bona abantwana une family yakhe wathewa ayobona family nna ke setse mo ntlong akena usisi uthi awushozi ibile wona no angisayi ekhaya ngi-avoid ukuya ekhaya noma ngaba like limaso lemanyalo ngiyasaba angisayi ekhaya because of katsibori ko community ngari na ki topic of the town, ki topic of the village, ki topic of the lokishi yonke indawo ngitopic because of lentombazana lentombazana into yenza nomyeni wami athi so ngiya-avoida ukuya ekhaya na uyaya ekhaya but mina akesaya ke diphelela mo ke diphela ngothing because of ke na le that thing ya hore batho ba tlo reng robona abantu bakhuluma ngami uthi into sengiphila ngayo uthi sengiziswa ubuhlungu ukuthi now I need to distance myself kubantu ku community engikhulele kuyo because of the issue. Hayi amadoda azokuhlaza she. Usisi uthi awusho ngibhalele ngoba now I need advices ukuthi ngenze kanjani to save my marriage or else ngiyeke mina walk away. Uthi and futhi ngifile ukuthi manje uhamba ngiyoba ngezi chance ukuthi babe yifamily right. Cause manje unabantwana abayi-3 disigele bayathandana nalisigele watsamaya ka weekend ka ufela athi especially uma kuyilong weekend awushozi ayile ku high uri kita treka koloi uthi imoto izongena kule ntombazana yongena Friday iphume Sunday uri awushozi sitsikile monitoring spirit kubuphilo ngibangcwena uthi ngiya-check uthi ngichecka yonke into ku social media ngiyamu-checka uri ngiyamu-monitara awushozi uri sesikifile urona nokahafa shem uri kahafa the way kilengete angisa acting njengomuntu right because of this issue. So aketse uri ketse jwang should I walk away ngiqalishe kabusha like ngistike nomyeni wami ngoba ngikhule ngiyalong or aketse beketse jwang angazi ukuthi ngenze njani but ngizobuhlungu this thing iyangidla ukuthi ama mistakes engiwayenzile ngisese safe city now ayangihonta angihonta akina ngwana uthi sengina more than a decade emshadweni akunamntwana yena while my husband anabantwana uhappy puzzle hayena last puzzle noholengwana umgrele nam still hanging akina yona puzzle leyo uthi ngikhuluma ne story because of ngibone istory sakho sa last week ukuthi intombazana eyenzeni alenakile ke one of those girls ngiyazisola awushozi ke lisola hodisola ngaba manje umntwana nami over 20 years I bile ke sure ka be shetse a kena le sukulu ke tseba go le nna pain ya shoko ke tseba ke mingi ka kena labor ward but unfortunately le decision engayithatha ngisesemncane yangihonta namuhla. Ayikunzima eSouth Africa ayikunzima emhlabeni yo mina sisiyazi ngithi shem wathi bamudimo fela yazukwazi uNkulunkulu ayiwani. Please guys iphana sesi advice ukuthi ayenze kanjani and the said part ukuthi umuntu okhazanga kustress ekataba jamjolo kwenzeka umjolo 1 kwaphuma abantwana abayi3 ingizwe uhlungu that part ukuthi bene right we know ba right if ever kunabantwana ngeke ngikuzwe kube ke uthwala ke stress sona lengisona but yo othe bamudimo sisters because uNkulunkulu I just pray ukuthi udimo lena uxwele unoba loyo 1 ifela. Hi bye guys ngicela nipheni usesima advices ukuthi ayenze njani ngoba ungenelwa amanzi shame endlini. Bye guys.